Bitcoin has become the most recognized and valuable cryptocurrency in the world. What started as an experimental project in 2009 has now transformed into a global financial revolution. Today, millions of people are not just talking about Bitcoin, they're investing, trading, and using it to build wealth. But for many beginners, the question remains, how can I buy Bitcoin easily and securely? Two of the most convenient methods are through PayPal and credit cards, both offering instant access to the digital world of crypto. Before jumping in, let's understand what Bitcoin really represents. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency built on blockchain technology, a transparent network that records every transaction without relying on banks or middlemen. Unlike fiat money, such as the dollar or naira, Bitcoin isn't printed or controlled by any government. Instead, it's maintained by thousands of computers worldwide, giving users complete control over their funds. Buying Bitcoin is now easier than ever thanks to the rise of digital payment systems. Years ago, investors had to go through lengthy transfers and complex processes to buy cryptocurrency. But with PayPal crypto services and credit card crypto purchases, you can now own Bitcoin within minutes. These methods have made cryptocurrency investment simple, secure, and accessible to everyone. Why buy Bitcoin with PayPal or credit card? PayPal and credit cards are household names in online payments, and their entry into the crypto market has changed everything. PayPal allows users in supported countries to buy, hold, and sell Bitcoin directly from their PayPal app. This feature gives beginners a safe environment to explore the world of digital assets. Similarly, credit cards provide a quick way to purchase Bitcoin on major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. The biggest advantage is speed. You can own Bitcoin in less than 5 minutes. This makes it perfect for new investors who want to start building their Bitcoin portfolio instantly. How to buy Bitcoin with PayPal? The first step is to log into your PayPal account and ensure it's verified. On your dashboard, navigate to the Crypto tab. There, you'll find Bitcoin alongside other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Litecoin. Select Bitcoin, enter the amount you want to buy, and confirm the purchase. The Bitcoin will instantly appear in your PayPal crypto balance. PayPal makes it easy for anyone to begin their Bitcoin investment journey, especially those who don't want to deal with complex wallet setups. However, keep in mind that PayPal crypto holdings are stored within its ecosystem. That means you can move them freely to external wallets unless you use PayPal's new transfer feature available in certain regions. How to buy Bitcoin with a credit card? Credit card purchases work slightly differently, but are just as easy. To start, create an account on a Bitcoin exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Crypto.com. Complete your identity verification process, known as KYC. Then, go to the Buy Crypto section, select Bitcoin, choose your payment method, and enter your card details. After you confirm, your Bitcoin will appear in your exchange account within minutes. Most platforms also allow you to transfer your coins to a crypto wallet for extra security. Credit card purchases are one of the fastest ways to get Bitcoin, though they often come with slightly higher transaction fees than bank transfers. Popular platforms that support PayPal and credit card purchases. Coinbase, one of the easiest platforms for beginners, supports both PayPal and credit cards for instant Bitcoin buying. Binance, known for low fees and a global reach, offers flexible crypto payment options including Visa and MasterCard. eToro, a social trading platform where you can buy Bitcoin using PayPal or credit cards and follow other traders. Crypto.com allows users to buy Bitcoin with credit cards and earn crypto rewards. BitPay offers PayPal integration and simple crypto transactions for Bitcoin buyers. These exchanges are regulated, beginner-friendly, and secure, perfect for those who want to enter the cryptocurrency market confidently. Security tips when buying Bitcoin. Buying Bitcoin is simple, but security is where many beginners go wrong. Always enable two-factor authentication on your exchange account to prevent unauthorized access. Use a strong password and never share your account credentials with anyone. Once you buy Bitcoin, consider transferring it to a hardware wallet, such as Ledger or Trezor. These wallets store your Bitcoin offline, making them immune to hacking. Software wallets like Trust Wallet or Exodus are great for frequent transactions, but offline storage is always safer for long-term holding. Always back up your recovery phrase, a unique code used to restore your wallet if you lose access. Write it down on paper and store it safely. Remember, in the world of crypto, you are your own bank. Losing your private keys means losing your Bitcoin permanently. Fees and regulations to keep in mind when buying Bitcoin with PayPal or credit cards. You'll encounter transaction fees. PayPal charges around 1.5% to 2.3% per trade, depending on the amount. Exchanges may charge between 2% to 4% for card transactions. Always review fees before confirming your purchase. Regulations vary by country. Some regions have restrictions on credit card crypto purchases or require identity verification before allowing PayPal transactions. Make sure to stay informed about your local crypto laws to avoid compliance issues. Best practices for beginners if you're just starting your crypto journey. Here are some simple tips to follow. Start small and invest only what you can afford to lose. Use trusted and regulated Bitcoin exchanges. Don't fall for fake links or social media giveaway scams. Keep track of your purchase history for tax reporting. Stay updated with the latest crypto news to make smarter decisions. Understanding the power of Bitcoin ownership. Owning Bitcoin is not just about making a quick profit, it's about participating in a new global financial system. Bitcoin offers independence from centralized control and gives people the freedom to transfer value across borders without restrictions. As more companies adopt Bitcoin as a payment method, it's becoming more than an investment. It's becoming a digital store of value. Buying Bitcoin through PayPal or credit cards gives you the easiest entry point into this evolving ecosystem. The future of Bitcoin purchases. In 2025 and beyond, we're seeing even faster integration between traditional finance and crypto. PayPal, Visa, and MasterCard are now supporting direct crypto transactions, allowing users to buy and spend Bitcoin as easily as fiat currency. Soon, more mobile apps will allow instant Bitcoin purchases, bringing digital assets closer to everyday life. Blockchain innovation is driving this evolution, making crypto ownership more secure, transparent, and user-friendly. The future of money is digital, decentralized, and globally accessible, and Bitcoin is leading that transformation. If this guide helped you understand how to buy Bitcoin safely using PayPal or credit cards, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto education. Stay informed, invest wisely, and take your first step toward financial freedom with the power of blockchain and Bitcoin.